So when you actually look at HETAC itself, and bearing in mind that I have mentioned about the big elephant that was in the corner, back in 2006, HETAC had had a review of its activity. And, you know, look, we came out well, let's be honest about it. And I suppose it also recognised the transition state that HETAC was in at that particular point in time. Because with the exercise of delegated authority, there is now space for us to look at other key interventions, such as the institutional review. And it allowed a space to kind of develop a model which would suit particular the Irish higher education system, but also drawing on the standards which were emerging, particularly in the European context. And further evidence that, you know, we have embraced and taken on the quality assurance role in a lot stronger than what we were doing before this, or certainly in the previous guise, the previous agency which existed, the NCEA, National Council for Education Awards. We have put, for instance, enhanced provider registration procedures in place. We've also commenced the whole notion about provider monitoring. There has been a review of certain key policies, the evidence of which has come out now, and also external examining has had a major focus in terms of bringing that expertise and making sure it contributes to good management within the organisation, and the initiation of institutional review. And I think above everything else, I would always revert to a point that Garrod has made earlier on. You know, this ain't about an institution or organisations. This is about learners. And the objective behind all of these interventions is to make sure that there is a quality product, education, there that is going to enhance, be it their personal objectives or their social or their economic objectives which they wish to attain. And that's the objective of what we're seeking to do. Recently, in late 2009, we were placed on or included on the European Quality Assurance Register. And again, that is in effect, you know, recognition that HETAC is in a good place in terms of its internal quality assurance procedures, along with its interventions with its community, be they learners, be they other providers, be they recognised institutions.